Alright, today we are finally departing Rotterdam after 2 weeks here. We've got the car all packed and we are driving down about 4 hours to the southeast to Winterberg, which is a ski resort in Germany. It's the largest ski resort north of the Alps. We're going to do a week of skiing. And despite our best efforts, I think we're still bringing too much stuff. But anyway, we'll see how we go on this first 4-hour leg of our much longer journey this year. So at the halfway mark, we picked out a little town called Hattingen in Germany to stop at, so we're just taking a quick wander around the old town. This building's from 1576, just casually walking through a 500-year-old building. Nice skinny little building. So the kids have got pretzels. First ones in Germany, that's what they enjoy when they're here. So we've just arrived in Winterberg, we've unpacked our car and now we're just doing a bit of a reconnaissance of the parking area and ski hire and the bottom of the slope, just to know what we're going to be doing tomorrow. So you guys excited for tomorrow? Devon's going to do a bit of a lesson, Maddie's going to come up with me and we'll hit the slopes. Well, we are all ready to go. We've got our gear from the rental agency and we're about to head up the mountain. Devon's just got to wait for some ski lessons first. Alright, it's very much a family-friendly resort here. It's our first lift ride up. You can already see some people at the ski school. So hopefully it's a nice entry-level slope for us, because we haven't done this in a while, especially the kids, especially Devon, who's back down there. So we've got Dev's on the ski lift already. He's going to give it a go down the first slope without getting a ski lesson. But hopefully we'll be okay. Hey Devs, you looking forward to it? So even more exciting on the ski field, we've found a little squirrel. There he goes. We saw him running across the snow.
I named him Bob.
Uh-huh. Whoop! Hey! So, end of a long day of skiing. We are all very tired. I don't know what Maddie's doing, but she's crawling into the front there. Second day of skiing, all good. Bit of a wait at the lift here for once. Yesterday it was pretty quiet. And we're skiing over a road. Lovely forest. Snow's a bit slushy now, but it's a beautiful day. Just cleared up. Devon's found a way to use the pole, as long as he doesn't break it. I'm a cringy pig. Chilling out after a long day skiing.
Why is it out of order?
Who's the alien in the background? Because aliens have messed with the lift. Roast. Alright, so we've done enough of the skiing. We've got some toboggans for the last half of the third day, so it should be a little bit more relaxing for us. Alright, let's go. You're going the wrong way, guys. You little turtles. Alright, Raphael and Donatello.
I like the rig guys. I'm Leonardo. We start about...
Devon's given up sledding. Had enough, Devs. Maddie's having the time of her life. Meanwhile, he was on my sled. Roadkill.
We're on the road again, heading from Winterberg down to just south of Stuttgart in Baden-Württemberg, heading to a little village called Gommeringen, and we've got a short stop on the way at an old town. So we've arrived in Seligenstadt, which is a little walled town. First we're going to eat lunch right on this rock next to the parking place. There's a little barge over there that goes over the river, and then we're going to explore the old town. We just drove through it, cobbled streets, big church, some gardens. Should be fun. Lovely luxury BMW, never seen one of these before. Getting some stuff from a Lidl. Maddie's using this time to do some schoolwork. So we had a wonderful night in Gommeringen last night. This is the view from our friend's house. For a little wander up the hill to a tower. Made it to the top. Well, almost. I think we're going to go up that tower.
Bist du da hoch? Bist du sicher?
Ja.
Okay, Ida, du gehst ja nicht um. Du gehst nicht.
Hier vorbei.
Oh, hat er dich getroffen?
Ja.
Ja.
Für mich ist es
Bei was?
beim Klettern. Kaut ohne Maus.
Alles gut? Lecker? Ja?
So we're leaving Gommeringen and we're driving to Neuschwanstein, the castle in the south of Germany that the Disney castle was based on. Quick stop over there before going to Innsbruck in Austria, which is our next place to stay.
Oh, it's in Austria?
Yeah. Thought it was in Germany?
Yeah.
Yeah, they speak German. Just getting the tickets for Neuschwanstein, and then we're going to be walking somewhere up in that direction. What do you reckon, guys?
Cool. It's having a lot. It's good.
$2.20 diyor. Gelsene. Hayır gel.
It's like hard to see.
Partway up the mountain, and we've spotted a beautiful little lake down below, which looks like it might be frozen over.
Whoa, that's crazy. Oh, that's cool. I don't think we could walk on it. Most people can.
So we've just spent our first night in Innsbruck, staying at this apartment behind us, which is partway up the mountain, so it's a little way out of the city. A beautiful view up the mountain and then across the valley. City's down that way. I'm just going to go for a quick walk to pick up some food, and then we're going to go hiking in those mountains behind us. This is the start of our walk. It's only about an hour and a half. Everyone's happy, it's a sunny day. Hopefully it stays that way. And that is some next level wood stacking, even with the holes for the windows. And there goes a paraglider. So we've started pretty much somewhere here, and we're walking up and then along, and then we're going to take that gondola up to the top. Well, we're part way up, still going well, but we've reached a lovely little viewpoint and the kids are a bit hungry. There you go. Nice. And we're off again. I've spotted the snow. It's going to be heaps more where we're heading. We're actually going to the top of that mountain up there.
Snow.
There's a cool little tea hut built into the rock. It's closed at the moment, probably opens, I guess, in peak winter and peak summer.
Oh, sorry.
So we made it to the end of the line. We've found the gondola station. We're going to follow that all the way up there. Just waiting for the next lift, which goes all the way up. Well, there goes the dog.
What's that? What's that? What's that? It was a paraglide.
Here we are at the top of Innsbruck.
There's ice spikes on there.
Oh yeah, really does get cold here.
What?
So that's the safe area, and there's all these warnings. You're leaving the end of the safe area and going into an alpine route, so you actually need crampons and proper climbing equipment for further than here. It's just so much colder here. The snow's real crunchy, icy.
Quickly take the thing for an Austrian tell us to get off the seat.
What? I feel like it's moving.
Just breathtaking scenery. And so still, not a breath of wind. So that's the start of a cross-country ski route. Can't say I'd be that keen to do it, to be fair. But these guys are. Bit of a photo shoot going on over there.
I don't want to
And these guys are eating their pizza bread. This is our photo shoot. Best margarita roll in Innsbruck.
Well, she's wearing high
Actually, I have
heels,
no idea.
so
It was
like.
just from the supermarket. Devin's doing his mountaineering. There's a rail here because I would not want to slide down there.
Yeah. Oh.
Seems like a very sane thing to do. Short little skis down a steep mountain. Right. So now we are going to
walk through the old town for a little bit. It's later in the day. We might get a coffee and an apple strudel or something like that. We found a lovely little cafe that serves apple strudel, and hot chocolates and coffee. So while we're having coffee, it started raining. So we're just going to take a quick walk or a quick look through the old town and then head back. We did come here last night. Waiting for our Uber. Right in front of this bad house. I think it means bath house. Bad house. And for our last stop in Austria before we head to Slovenia, we've stopped by Red Bull Hangar 7, their aircraft museum. So for some reason Red Bull has an attack helicopter.
Does that actually work? Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Probably works. It just don't go too close. See, look, there's the light.
And we made it to Slovenia.